Hi, let's run ratio. So we compare two quantities in terms of how many times. This comparison is known as ratios. So we represent ratio by this symbol, which is two dots. So let's understand with the help of one example. So the price of a pen is 20 rupees and the price of a pencil is 5 rupees. So the ratio of their prices will be pen ratio, and the price of pencil ratio will be 20, because pen costs 20 rupees and pencil cost 5 rupees. So 20 is to 5, and then we can reduce this, or we can write as 20 divided by 5. So pen is 4 times the cost of pen is 4 times that of pencil. So we can write as 4 is to 1. So 4 is to 1 is the lowest form of ratio, and 20 is to 5 is the normal ratio. So these 20 is to 5 and 4 is to 1 are equivalent ratio. So let's understand with one more example. So this 20 is to 5 and 4 is to 1 is the equivalent ratio. Similarly, if we multiply any number with both the terms 20 as well as 5, so it will also give us equivalent ratio. For example, let's multiply 20 with 2 and 5 with 2, so 40 is to 10 is also equivalent ratio. Similarly, we can divide the first number by 5 and the second number also by 5. So this 4 is to 1 is the equivalent ratio, and this is the lowest form because we cannot further reduce this ratio. Similarly, we can multiply 20 with 5 and 5 with 5. So 100 is to 25 will also be an equivalent ratio, which is equal to 4.1, and 4.1 will be its lowest form. Let's take one more example to understand it. So in a class there are 20 boys and 40 girls. So the ratio of boys to girl will be 20 is to 40, because there are 20 boys and 40 girls, and if we reduce it to its lowest form, it will be 1 is to 2, because we can divide the first ratio with 20 and the second is also with 20, so resulting will be 1 is to 2. Similarly, if we have to calculate the ratio of girls to boys, so girls will come first and then boys. So girls are 40 and the boys are 20. So we'll write 40 is to 20, and then we can reduce it to its lowest form by dividing both the terms by 20, which will be 22 is to 1, and this 2 is to 1 cannot be further reduced. Similarly, if we have to know the ratio of girls to total students, so total students are 20 plus 40, which is 60, and then the girls are 40. So we'll write 40 is to 60, and then we can reduce it to its lowest form, which is 2 is to 3. So by dividing 20 to both the numbers, so 2 is to 3 will be the ratio of girls to total students. So we have to keep in mind that when we are calculating the ratio, the units should be same. If we have different unit, then that ratio will be wrong ratio. So for example, height of a child is 90 centimeter and the height of his father is 1.5 centimeter. So if we calculate the ratio between these two height, 1.5 meter, so if we calculate the ratio of their height, 90 is to 1.5, and if we reduce it, 60 is to 1, so the height of a child 60 times that of his father. This is wrong, because firstly we'll have to convert those numbers into same unit. So we can convert 1.5 meter into centimeter. So 1.5 meter will be 150 centimeters, and then the correct ratio will be 90 is to 150, and then its reduced form will be 3 is to 5. So if we divide both the number by 30, so we'll get 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5 will be lowest form. So the correct ratio will be 3 is to 5, and the height of a child will be 3/5 the height of his father. Let's also learn how to use ratio. So for example, if 60 rupees need to be divided between x and y in the ratio of 2:3, so how we'll do it? So 2:2 will get x and 3 will get y. So total actually is 5 parts, out of which 2 parts will be given to x and 3 parts will be given to y. So let's see how to do it. So there are total 60 rupees and 2/5 will be given to x. So x will get 60 divided by 5 is 12 and 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. So x will get 24 and y will get 60 multiplied by 3/5, which is again same, and then 12 multiplied by 3 will be 36. So x will get 24 rupees and y will get 36 rupees, and total if we add is, so 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry over, 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 60. So out of 60, 24 will be given to x and 36 will be given to y. So that money is distributed in the ratio of 2:3.